Welcome back to 1 Minute Maths. Today, we'll learn how to factorize a quadratic in a minute. Let's look at how to factorize the quadratic equation x squared plus 7x plus 10. Step 1. Identify the numbers you need for this process. For a quadratic in the form x squared plus bx plus c, you must find two numbers. Multiply to the constant term c is equal to 10. Add to the middle coefficient b is equal to 7. So, we need two numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 7. Step 2. List the factor pairs of 10. 10 can be written as 1 into 10 is equal to 10 and 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now check which pair adds up to 7. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So, the numbers are 2 and 5. Step 3. Write the factorized form. The quadratic factorizes into x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to x plus 2x plus 5. So the final answer is x plus 2, x plus 5.
The school comes home.